so 4 hours later, this red quartz didn't change much, and I have to admit I'm really okay with that because this is really pretty. I thought it was gorgeous before, and now it's even prettier. I was so curious to see how this would turn out. And then in with the same batch, this is what was in the batch with it. So some pieces actually turned out to be smoky quartz, which not surprised by. They were so laden with dirt and clay that it was hard to tell if it was smoky quartz, rose quartz, clear quartz. So there's a few black dots that you see on some specimens. That's just dirt inside the crystal, and it just got trapped inside when the crystal was growing. Now there's also, where is it, rose quartz. This one has a lot of dirt trapped in it too, but it's actually rose quartz. Look how clear that one turned out. So that is this one, and this is actually, we are in the, we're kind of in the shade. It's not a sunny day. It's about to start raining, of course. Look how pretty that is. Alright everybody, so the video was super short, and I just want to recap on what to do with the chemicals. So remember, when you're pouring them in, it's going to be 2 tablespoons of oxalic acid and then half a gallon of water. You're going to put the water in first, and then the acid, and then your minerals. Leave them in for 4 hours. Transfer them to a bucket of clean water, and then you don't have to leave them in for a certain amount of time. Just dunk them, if you will, and then let them dry. You don't have to scrub them, nothing. And then when you're all done with your acid, you are going to dilute it with baking soda and then just pour it out into some rocks or some mud in the middle of the street in the middle of the night. Just kidding. Just don't pour it down your drain. And then with the water that you use to dunk your rocks, you can dilute it a little bit if you want, but honestly, you don't really need to. If I ever get splashes of acid on my hand, I actually put my hand in the clean water, so it's just good to have. Wear glasses, wear long sleeves, pants, wear a face mask, and gloves. And that's about it. You just need 2 buckets, a spatula, and that's it. So I hope this helps. And I do have other videos on my channel of how to clean different types of minerals, how to craft with them, how to display them, and also how to find them. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you around soon. Bye.